Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm excited and happy to have you on this channel today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you something that is going to ease designing for you, but it shouldn't make you lazy. And I know you're going to be wondering, how do I create a background without creating the background? Let me explain. Let's say you see a particular design that has a very good texture, has a good background design, and it's something you would like to use for your next design. Now the problem is, how do you get this image? There are millions of images on the internet. Where do you start searching for? Now I have a solution, something that would help you use that particular image that you admire. But please don't let this make you a lazy designer. Sometimes you may need to create your backgrounds yourself, a little bit of manipulation and all that. Without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. I am on Google and I search for Google Gemini, right? So you click on it. Alright, so now I'm going to click here and select this create images, right? And now I'm going to import the image that I want to extract the background and the texture of it. You click on this plus icon, then click on upload files. So now I have imported the image that I want to extract the background. I love purple. I like purple backgrounds. I like using purple personally for myself, and so I saw this particular design on Pinterest and I loved the texture of the purple, and so guys, I sent my prompt and this is what it read. It says extract the background of this image by 1000%, preserve background patterns, texture, effect, color and style by 1000%, erase all text and shapes, also erase the yellow robes at the bottom of the image, preserve background details and originality by 1000% and send. And this is the result I got. This is the background texture of this design. You can see, you can look at it. Let's look at the texture. Do you see it? It gave me the texture of the background without me struggling to go look for it. So you can use this as a guideline. Extract background of this image by 1000%, preserve background. Now what I'm going to do is that it's going to be on the comment section, so I'm going to drop it there on the comment section. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to have you in the next tutorial. If you are new to the channel and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, drop a comment before leaving, and if you don't mind, please share this video. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.